Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Big jump. Fearless. Oh, boom.
1, 2, 3.
What a mess. Hey, Miller, tell Mommy how old you are. Are you 20?
No.
Are you 2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Fist to the face. I love how he lifts his legs and his arms out like he's skydiving.
Hey, Miller, do you love baby brother?
What's his name?
Listen.
Mason.